Today's Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. Everyone over here with Chef Allison Davis. At Wild Time, one thing I love about Wild Time is they do summer camps for kids. We've been having them on the set over there at Midday Kentucky.
Yeah.
And
they're a wild bunch.
They're a wild bunch, but they're good kids.
They are.
They're all behind the scenes now, and they're sworn to
stay quiet.
no coughing,
we do love
no screaming, no fighting.
We do love cooking in the kitchen with kids, for sure.
All right, talk to me.
All right, this week I'm just focusing in on summer recipes, and when it comes to summer cooking at home, I want it to to be easy.
Yeah,
I don't want to slay.
It's too beautiful outside.
It's too gorgeous, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do kind of a play on. Have you done
I've grilled
mussels?
Onions.
Have you done mussels, like
As in
Italian
eaten
style,
them?
like steamed mussels? You know what I'm talking about,
yes,
right?
doll.
So typically you start off steamed mussels or that Italian dish with onions, garlic, and red pepper flake, right?
Yum.
And I don't think any Italian recipe really is worth anything if it doesn't have onions, garlic, and red pepper.
No,
you know,
my darling.
it's just where you start. So we're going to saute some onions off, and we're going to add a little bit of garlic in here with that. And then we're going to add a little red pepper flake. And that's kind of our base. Basically, that's seasoning up our pan. It's just getting nice and fragrant. A little bit of spice
I'd put all
there.
that in.
You would?
Yeah. Let's give it a bit of a kick.
Tell you, he likes the heat in the kitchen.
Yeah.
All right. So
It's the only bit of heat that happens.
we've got a little bit of kind of a medium-high heat going here on the pan, sauteing it off. Now, instead
very
of
quickly,
mussels,
did I ask you, do you prefer the purple onions or the white onions?
you know, honestly, to me, it doesn't.
I
It could
think
go
these
either
taste
way.
sweeter.
Yes, I agree.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's the Vidalias. Right now, you can get beautiful Vidalia onions. They're sweet. They're usually from Georgia. They're a great brand.
Okay.
So what I like to do, instead of the mussels, again, this is like very quick. I pick these up, and they're actually really affordable. Like if you love scallops.
Are they tinned?
They're bay scallops. So they're just smaller bay scallops. They're not the jumbo scallops. So they're going to cook even faster, right? So we're just going to throw these in, and they're really going to cook in a matter of minutes. And you're just going to let that kind of work with the onions, the red pepper flake, the garlic.
That's interesting.
Right, and it's going to be nice and pretty.
I've never seen them small like that before.
Yeah, they're bay scallops. So if you love scallops and you maybe don't love the price tag of the jumbo sea scallops, you can go with these. And the
Are
flavor
these fresh or were they frozen?
They're fresh, yeah.
Wow. Okay. Where'd you buy them from?
I picked those up at Fresh Market, actually.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, I'm chopping up a little bit of
Fresh Market.
parsley, some Italian parsley that's going to go in here. I love fresh herbs, again, this time of year. You could go really any direction with the herbs. If you like dill, if you like tarragon, if you like basil.
Coriander?
You could do cilantro. I've done cilantro as well. Yeah.
See, there's another Aussie sitting in the audience, everyone, and he gets what I'm saying. Coriander, cilantro.
But we're not in Australia.
I know. I know.
All right, so we've added our fresh parsley.
That looks good, sister.
It does, right? And then the last few touches, right? You notice we haven't added salt or pepper yet. We added our red pepper
There's a
flake.
reason why we're not adding salt.
Yes.
Because our cheese is a little salty.
Yeah, so the final addition, after the scallops are cooked, we're going to throw a little pecorino romano cheese on there.
Put some of that
A little fresh lemon.
Lemon or lime?
Lemon.
Well,
you could go either or.
I was going to say.
But the
I reckon
citrus,
lime because it gives you an extra kick.
The citrus is really going to bring this together. Yeah. Oh, if you all could smell this.
Oh my God.
Super simple, super fresh, very lovely. And then again, I'm not even cooking. This is for the summer. I would throw some little arugula greens on the plate like this.
Now, can I just say to you, how do you know, if we can grab a shot of the scallops, how do we know when they're cooked? Because I have to be honest with you,
That's a great question.
I think they would go rubbery if I did this at home.
No, they're not going to go rubbery. They're pretty much there, but what you can look for is you actually see it start to split apart. Do you see this one right there? Yeah, see how that starts to split apart? It's ready, it's done, it's perfect. Yeah, they'll just start to basically open up a little bit, and they'll just try to split in half, and they're still perfect.
Okay.
They're not rubbery by any means.
That lemon, perfect. If you want to find out more information about this recipe, perfect for a Sunday summer.
Right.
Yeah. Head over to wtvq.com/recipes. We're going to plate this up because I need to eat it. Back up to this short break, everyone. You're watching Midday.
Today's cooking segment was brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.